To install Camtasia, you'll need to go to www.techsmith.com and download a copy of Camtasia. I've already downloaded Camtasia 3 for Mac, and I've copied the downloaded file to my desktop. Double-click on the disk image or DMG file to open it. You'll need to read the user license agreement and then click the Agree button. When the disk image unpacks, drag Camtasia 3's icon onto the alias for the Applications folder to copy it into that location. This will copy Camtasia to the correct location on your computer. Then, double-click on the Applications folder to open it. Find the Camtasia application and drag it to your dock for quick and easy access. Then close any open windows and click on Camtasia in your dock to open it. A pop-up may appear asking you if you'd like to open Camtasia since you downloaded it from the internet. Click the Open button. The Camtasia registration screen should now appear, letting you know how long you have until your current 30-day trial expires. If you have an activation key, you can enter it here and then click Activate. If you're not ready to purchase a license, then click the Continue Trial button. I'll enter my activation key and then click the Activate button.
Welcome to Camtasia. This sample project will provide a quick
I'll minimize my browser and then press the Stop button in the middle of the screen to stop the Welcome tutorial. The Welcome tutorial gives you a nice quick overview of the product. Feel free to work through it. Throughout the rest of this course, we'll be covering everything that you see in this tutorial, plus a whole lot more. Okay, Camtasia is now installed on your Mac. In the next movie, we'll get to know the Camtasia interface that you'll be working with.